lots of benefit by knowing the traditions of the people's custom rituals and lifestyles,
Yeah.
and knowing about the various kinds of physical plays, which is a much requirement because we are like we are a teacher. So if we have the experiences, so we will guide to the new generation
Okay.
peoples.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's all about you, ma'am.
Okay. So really nice explanation. So, in my opinion, yeah, through traveling, we can explore new places and also
Hmm.
learn new cultures, traditions, and also food habits, the dressings, everything. And also, if you want to travel in mountainous or peaceful areas, you have to rejuvenate your mind and also the same time your body also refreshen your
Hmm.
body and mind, and also you get some uh, disconnect from your hustle and bustle of your daily life because your life is too much busy about your working, family matters, work, professional matters, and all the things. So you have to disconnect all these things in a little extent. So you have to rejuvenate your mind and also your body also. So traveling gives, and also one thing and one I want to add in yeah, every summer holidays my family and I love to travel always my family with my family. So each and every summer vacations we planning to go some mountainous place, some peaceful place to visit. So, yeah, that's the thing. Okay.
Okay, yeah,
Mm.
ma'am. That's a lovely opinion of you about traveling. Okay, so let's discuss about some another topic like what is the value of education in each
Yeah,
and
yeah,
every person's life. So,
definitely.
ma'am, you give your opinion, then I'll. Okay.
Okay. Education, especially, is really what I can say broadens your horizons. That is, enlarge or increase your knowledge, and also, yeah, through education, you have broadens your horizons and increase your knowledge, and especially ladies, especially women, they have the through educated women, they have the ability, they acquired an every woman, educated women have the ability, they acquired the ability to tackle or fight against any abuse, especially abuse happen in their homes, or violence happen in their homes or the society or outside or in their workplace. Okay, so they have the ability and they know how to handle all these situations, and also they fight against this dowry system, marriage, child marriage, or something like abuses, different types of abuses. So they knew or they aware because of this education. Okay,
Yeah.
and also, yeah, education opens so many job opportunities too, and also broaden, I think, open your eyes. Okay, yeah, open your eyes and what the things are going on surroundings. So, and also the thing is, yeah, yeah, that's my opinion. Yeah,
Okay.
okay,
That's a great opinion of yours, ma'am. I
okay,
really, I'm also agree. Yeah. If I talk about my opinion, ma'am, about education, so it's a valuable part of the human life
yeah,
to maintain the balance of your life first.
yeah,
It will
yeah,
give you, experiences, maturities, how to respect people
yeah,
equally. It
yeah,
will never allow you to start discrimination between the peoples.
okay,
Okay, it will never allow you to judging any peoples
yeah,
by watching their bad conditions of life. Yeah, even background. Doesn't
yeah,
matter
yeah,
what background the person belong.
yeah,
Your education will allow you to respect equally to all of them. It good
yeah,
manner. They
yeah,
will teach you humanity. They will
yeah,
teach you how to respect peoples. And first of all, it will allow you, it will give you the experiences to claim your right,
yeah,
especially in this era, because government has organized various kinds of, like facilities to the citizens' life. So if you do not have education, then how could you claim your right, right?
yeah,
How are you willing to achieve your, claim your rights, right, and receive benefit?
yeah,
So many things are there for having. Okay. through your
Yes,
education. If you have the education, then you can establishing some good business. You can grow up your business, right?
yes, yes,
And in this time, I'm having so many people, uneducated people, start wandering, roaming different kinds of places for earning money. And if they become exhausted to becoming, wandering and doing a lots of effort, but not having the good amount of money in life, so they start, stealing some
yes,
kinds of robbery. These are, activities they start doing in life because they have less education,
yes,
right? So according to me, education is everything. So we have to understand education value, and we should be allowed to parent, and we should be allowed to our kids to get receive better education in life.
yeah. And also through education, we have to abolish so many evil activities that are
Yeah,
prevalent in the olden days, right? Child
yeah,
marriage, sadi, something like that. So through
yeah.
education, yeah, we
Through education,
uh,
you can mitigating dowry systems, which had been going on,
yeah,
for
yeah,
long decade in our life, and
yeah,
people
yeah.
behind the greediness of intention of the people have been following this dowry system because there is a consider if I get married my son to with any family, so I would have some benefit in returning. Right.
Those untouchability, that those are prevalent in Kerala,
Adopticity, yeah.
yeah, and some, yeah, areas of some places of India. So those are all abolished because of the education. Yeah,
Yeah. Because of time still I'm having in the new era, and
yes,
there are very varieties of caste, peoples are living around us.
yeah,
They have a various kinds of intentions. They have been included self in various kinds of religions, right?
yeah,
So
yes,
that's the reasons behind it to start discriminations feeling around the people, judging people by having the condition of their life, right? So why they are doing these kinds of activities? Because of they have less education,
yeah.
right? That's why.
Lack of education, definitely, yeah. And
Yeah,
also literacy, lack of education. These are the things, yeah. So, yeah,
yeah.
great.
Whatever, yes, ma'am. Whatever experiences, whatever lessons they have been uh, taught by their ancestor, yeah,
Yeah,
they have gotten inherent quality of their ancestor. They
yeah,
have been following nowadays in these times, right? They
yeah,
just want to maintain these kinds of traditions into their life to having the benefit by this way,
yeah. And
right?
also, yeah, and also through education, we can understand what are the things happening surrounds us, and also what are the culture, what are the traditions, what are the evil practices, and we all raise our voice against these evil practices or evil activities, right? So through
Yeah,
education, otherwise we cannot understand the things that are going in our surrounding or even European countries or in America or in something like that. So we can learn, we can read, and we can also, yeah, um, what I can say, yeah, through reading, through learning, so we can understand all these things, right?
yeah, because so many educated person, had given their perception in through the books, novels. So we
Yeah,
can start reading and by having the opinion of all of them, right? What kinds of difficult time they have been through,
yeah,
right, in the
yeah.
past. So we can aware by that kinds of books, and we should be applying these kinds of experiences, ideas in this time to just changing some mentality of the peoples about education,
Yeah.
right?
And yeah, in olden days, different parts of the world, the people they were struggling so many, I can say, so many problems, right?
Yeah,
Poverty. It's a what I can say. It's really horrible things, right? But we can
poverty,
realize, yeah,
discriminations,
discrimination,
untouchability.
yeah, yeah. But we can realize it through stories at that time, through stories, dramas,
Yeah,
yeah, through at that time the newspapers are those that much prevalent, right? I talking about the olden days. I think 1960s, the 50s. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So,
Yes,
uh,
ma'am.
so their experiences they reflect through their stories, their poems, their dramas. So the people from all around the world they understand the things through these um, what I can say through novels or stories
Yeah,
or
yeah.
yeah. Yeah. So
Yeah, you are
education,
right, ma'am.
yeah, 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 yeah,
No, actually, ma'am, I just wanted to tell you, at the time, the people had a less, knowledge, to
yeah,
just showing these kinds of things to the peoples. How the people could be aware about the citizens, what's exactly happening under their life.
yeah,
So by ruling some character, performing some character, you know they just wanted to just relieving all these bad evils identity and informations,
yeah,
mysterious, like a conspiracy against the peoples has been held in,
definitely.
right, by the
Yeah,
people. So this way the people just showing,
yeah,
right.
yeah, yeah. Okay. Nice point. Okay. So anything you want to ask me or discuss?
Yeah, ma'am, of course. So actually if I just want to like if we want to aware, how this is education for the each and every person's life. So what should we do first? Right. So being a teacher, we should be take a responsibility to make educate each and every student
Yes,
and treating equally to all of the students. Try to, putting our 100% for the uneducated student. So they
yes,
can educate, they can get the better guidance of us.
yes,
Right.
yes, definitely.
Yeah. But we have to start ignoring their
Yeah,
background, their
yeah,
conditions.
yeah,
No matter that people belong to poor families or
yeah,
rich families, but we have to treating equally to all of them,
yes.
right? Because discrimination is the biggest disease among the peoples you can consider.
It's
That's
a
why many of helpless person, right,
it's a
unable to
communicable
having the better educations.
yeah, it's a communicable disease spread each and every second. Okay.
Yeah,
It will
that's
abolish
why, ma'am.
as far as possible, right? Discrimination. Yeah,
Yeah, we have to erase these kinds of mindset of the peoples. We have to change the mentality of each and every teacher in a school,
yeah,
because teacher is the just medium to educate each and every citizens of this India.
yeah, yes,
Right. We are just the biggest reasons behind it to make
yeah,
educate them. If we have a intensively, if we take any decision strictly following each and every rule, which is a really requirement to educate others, so it must be come true. It's a
okay,
totally up to us,
okay.
right?
Nice. I agree that. Yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
yeah, uh, I think 20 minutes, right? Over.
Yes, ma'am. Could you repeat once?
It's 20 minutes. Our conversation.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Then I have to wind up the session. Oh, it's a nice conversation with you. We're
Yes,
discussing
ma'am.
different topics, right? Today, traveling and also uh,
Education.
education